Hey, this is One Take Frank, back again to show you a nice summer recipe. Nice Italian tomato salad with fresh tomatoes from the garden, peppers from the garden. And this is a good recipe to have on these hot summer days when you don't want to come home, you don't feel like cooking like slaving over a hot stove or grilling outside on these 90-degree humid days. So great, nutritious salad that's excellent for you. It's very filling with a nice piece of Italian bread. So what I start out with, because it's a tomato salad, are tomatoes. So I already cut up some tomatoes I just got from the garden, and I'm going to just show you really quick how I prepare the tomatoes. I kind of like just take out the stem by cutting in to the stem. Now these are all tomatoes from the garden, so you're going to have little spots on them and stuff, so I kind of take all those spots off of it. Then I just cut the tomatoes right into the bowl, into little wedges, just like this. That's it. You can cut them any size you want. You can make them small, you can make them bigger, but that's pretty much it. So I'm going to just take another one, take out the center. Little bad spot right here, just take that out. That's it. A lot of times early in the season, if you get tomatoes that are kind of like not fully red, they actually taste pretty good. I kind of like them when they're kind of like a little on the, I don't want to say greenish side, but they're not fully ripe, which is actually pretty good too. So I'm going to just cut one more. Now I used about, I'd say 7 medium tomatoes for this recipe right here in that bowl. So I'm going to just take my last tomato, cut it right into the bowl. That's that. Then I'm going to use 1 medium onion that I already chopped up. Just dice 1 medium onion. You just drop it in the bowl. And then what I use from the garden are a couple of these. These are like Cayenne Peppers, but I pick them when they're still green, so they're not that spicy at all. So I just take one, I just chop it up. And I also use a cherry bomb pepper, which I should have brought one out here, but I kind of forgot to bring one. I don't like too many seeds in my salad, as you know. I'd like to take the seeds out of a lot of things. So that's it. Just diced up cayenne pepper. I already diced one up with a red cherry bomb pepper. These cherry bombs are very spicy, and these are kind of like really red because they kind of got very ripe in the season. So you got to be careful. You don't want to mistake them for one of your tomatoes when you're eating them. And I like to throw in, I like a little spice in my salad. But these are Cubanelles, which are a sweet pepper. So I'm going to just slice a Cubanelle pepper and stick it in there too. Again, more nutrients. Gives it a lot of color to the salad. Just slice it nice and thinly. Again, I don't like the seeds, so I just take the seed portion out. That's it. Just like that. I'm going to just drop these right into the bowl. And that's pretty much it. So those are your ingredients. For this one here, like 7 medium tomatoes, a medium onion. I use 1 Cubanelle peppers, 2 cayenne peppers, and 1 cherry bomb pepper for spice. But you can use any kind of pepper you like. Even a red onion. I know my brother likes this recipe. He uses red onions all the time, which actually come out very good too. So once you got your vegetables cut up, I usually put in about 2 tablespoons of oregano, dried oregano. That's about it right there. Then you could salt to taste. I put about maybe, I'd say maybe a tablespoon to start out with. And you could salt it from there. And then maybe 5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil right on top. Drizzle that in. And that's it. Once you got all your ingredients into your bowl, I like to use a big spoon. I take it from the bottom and I bring it up to the top, and I just want to mix everything really good. You want to mix it very thoroughly. Make sure the oregano gets all dispersed into the salad. You want the salt to get dispersed into the salad. And you want to kind of douse the tomatoes and all the vegetables into the juice on the bottom of the bowl, which has a lot of olive oil. I'll tell you a quick little recipe with this too. With the leftover juice that's in this tomato salad, I usually save it for the next day. And I put that in a skillet and I kind of heat it up, because you have the olive oil, you have the tomato juice, you have the peppers, you have the onions. And I just crack 2 eggs in it, which comes out fantastic. And make myself like an egg and cheese sandwich using the juice from this, which is just to take it to a whole other level, which is phenomenal. So there you go. Once you mix it up, you'll start seeing the juice. I use the glass bowl so you can start to see the juice on the bottom of the bowl there. Can you see that? It's just starting to form, and that juice is excellent for dipping Italian bread in. So once you're done, we're going to just let this sit for about 10 minutes so it marinates a little bit, and then we're ready to eat. So we'll be back in 10. Okay, we're back. It's been about 10 minutes. The salad had a chance to marinate. And as you can see all the liquid that came on this bottom of this bowl with all the juice? That's excellent for dipping bread in at the end when you're done with your salad. I just want to show you one of the cherry bombs. This is the one I forgot to bring outside earlier. But this is what they look like. They're very spicy, and actually they give a nice flavor to the salad. I mean, they're very spicy, not too spicy. So I shouldn't say very, they're just right actually for giving enough spice in the salad. So I'm going to plate my salad up. I always like to take it from the bottom so you get plenty of juice in your bowl. You want to get some of those onions, some of those peppers. That looks good. Now this happens to be my my number 2 son, Jonathan's favorite summertime meals. He loves tomato salad. My number 1 son does not like tomatoes, so he doesn't like the salad. So what I'm going to do is, which I already forgot, I forgot already to bring a fork outside here with me. But I'm going to take a slice of bread and plate it up. And that's just the way it looks when it's completed. A nice summertime tomato salad with a slice of Italian bread. Now, this happens to be my son. I told you my son Jonathan's favorite summertime meal is just having a tomato salad with some Italian bread. So rather than me try it and tell you how good it is, I'm going to switch place with my cameraman so you can see what he looks like, and he's going to try it for you. So let's switch it up, Jonathan. I don't have a fork though. What am I going to do?
I don't know.
You going to try it with your hands?
I guess.
All right. Sorry about that, guys. One take, Frank. That's what happens. All right. So there's my.
I guess I'll try this tomato salad. Now you know what the cameraman looks like.
Yep.
Here you go.
Using his hands like a savage. Perfect.
It's very good.
How was it, John?
Full flavor, nice and juicy. Not too spicy. I didn't even have a hot pepper with that.
It's good, right?
Yeah, it's very good. I like it a lot.
Try dipping your bread in the juice.
Just gotta dip it like that. There you go, very good.
Okay, there you go. All right, you want to close us out, Jonathan?
No, you do that, you do that.
Okay. All right, here we go. Swapping out with the cameraman. Okay, another great summertime recipe. I think it's excellent for the summer. Again, very easy to do. Takes, would it take me like 5-10 minutes tops to make it? It's a great meal. Your family's gonna love it. I tell you, when I take this to any kind of function, like sometimes I bring it to church during their, they have like a bring and share kind of thing going on. People just love it. I bring this humongous like bowl full. It goes like in about 5 minutes. Anytime I make it for my family, when we go there for a barbecue or something, big hit in just about every event. So if you like the salad, you like the video, please subscribe to our website. And that's it, man. Have a great day. God bless you guys.